Welcome back to the channel again. This is Isa and Kose from Kose Trading, and in this episode we're gonna deassemble a Beomaster 7000 from Bang Olufsen. Beomaster 7000 is an amplifier with a radio built in, and it has some inputs. Over here you can see the inputs. Here we have the speaker units, Beolink units, and phono tape 1, tape 2, and CD, and auxiliary and TV, and we also have a line in and line out. And here we have the AM antenna connection. So yeah, we're gonna dig into it and assemble it and see what's inside a Beomaster 7000 amplifiers unit from Bang Olufsen. So we're gonna follow the instructions. If you flip your Beomaster 7000, you can actually see what you're gonna do with how to remove the front top cover. And here it says you need to remove. There's 2 screws, A and B. You need to unscrew it, and after that you're gonna push it and you will be able to remove the top cover. So let's do that. Safety first, and then we're gonna flip it the Beomaster one more time. The screws are located one here and one here. That the last one. Okay. You also need to unscrew those screws. Those 2 screws holding the chassis. Here we go. Now we can gently push it back. Here we have the Beomaster 7000. And we're gonna slowly deassemble all the parts from it. We're gonna take the power supply off, the main board, and the amplifier unit. There's some fans over here, and we also wanna demount the microprocessor and also the front part. So let's try to remove the main board, the PCB1. Let's try. So let's try to now we have removed all the screws, and we can gently lift off the main board. This one is here. Connect. And gonna remove it for all the connections from the main board. And this one is going here, over here. And we're going to remove that. So, nope. So this is the microprocessor. Put it here. And we're gonna take cable. Ground, and here's the PCB board from a Beomaster 7000. I think we also can remove this one. Here we go. Put the cable over here, and here is the main board for Beomaster 7000. I'm gonna put that aside. So this microprocessor, I don't know what PCB board it is, but we're gonna find it out in the service manual, and I also will put it in the video. So next step is to remove all the cables. Let's try to. It's actually my first time deassembling Beomaster 7000 also, so it's going well. I've done it on a Beomaster 6500. It's nearly the same, but there's some difference on the microprocessor, on the fans, and also on the big capacitors. Sometime. So let's try to remove it one by one. Here we go, and let's try to remove. What we're gonna remove first. I think we're gonna loosen up this one. This fan is connected. The fan cover is connected, but let's try to remove the input. Here we go. This one. So let's remove those screws. So this board is PCB board 3, and the board is going to the holding to the input board. Ground. And here we go. Should leave it. Let's. And here is the. I think. And here is the PCB board 3. The input part. I think we're gonna remove this part. I think. Here we go. Here we go. Let's remove all this dust. Here is the Beolink board, Beolink inputs, and here's the 2D inputs to the speaker units. And I put that aside. As I mentioned, this is the PCB board 3. This to all the inputs to the phono. Tape 2, tape 1, CD, and TV and auxiliary, and line in and line out input. So let's continue. I think we're gonna remove. Let's try to remove the microprocessor. There are some clips. These clips are holding the microprocessor. Sometimes you can just lift it like that. And here we go. There's actually 3 clips. One was here and one, 2 was here. So I think we can just lift it up. There we go. Remove that one. And this one. This one. This one. And here is the microprocessor board. And I'm not sure what PCB board it is, but I will put it in the video, the exact number. And we're gonna put that also aside. So let's try to remove the front panel. Front panel is here. There's 1 and 2 screws. They're holding the front panel. And there's one. Let's try to see if we can remove it. Oh, there's one more here. It's hiding. To ground. There we go. I think we can just slide it over and remove the connection here. And here is the front part. So we're gonna remove the PCB board, PCB board 9 from the front panel. Actually, it's called front profile. Okay. Let's push it a little bit and go. And there's some clips of holding the PCB board, so we're gonna push it sideways and remove it. Yes, this is the PCB board 9. Put it like that, and here we have the front profile. And here we have the audio jack, mini jack 3.5. Yeah. I think we also need to remove that if we can. Here we go. There we go. Here's the mini jack input for Beomaster 7000 and the front profile. So the next step will be let's try to remove the fan. The fan is holding by. Let's try to remove this cable first, so we have better visibility. There we go. I'm gonna remove this cable. Let's try to, I think we need to first remove this one, and let's try to remove the power supply board. So here we go. I think we just need to remove this one, and I think this one is loose. Come right off. There we go. And this. I think we also need to remove the screw. Here we go. Here we have the power supply board with the power cord and change. So we can put that aside. So now we can focus on the amplifier board and the fan. I think we're gonna remove this screw first. And I can't even remember how to do it, but you always find a way to remove it. There's one screw. Nope, I think it's loose now. Okay. We also need to remove those screws here. And here we go. I think we have it now. Nope. Still. Let's try to remove this one. And this one is attached. There's one screw here. Here we go. Here we have the PCB board 2. This is gonna put that aside. And the last one is the fan. Gonna put that clip on. And here's the fan with the PCB board. I think is 6. Yeah, the PCB board 6. So this was also actually a fast video how to deassemble a Beomaster 7000, and it was actually quite easy to do it. And the last part is the bottom part. So I think it's called bottom chassis. So we're gonna put that aside. So let's clean up the table. Let's bring all the parts we have removed. Here we have the little microprocessor. There's no PCB board sign on that, but we're gonna find that in the service manual. Gonna put it right here. And here we have the main amplifier board with the cooling pad. I'm gonna put it here. Here we have the microprocessor. I'll put it here. And the input ports for the power link and the 2 DIN connections. Put it here. And the PCB board 3 with the inputs. It's going to like that. So we have the inputs, the phono and the tape 1 and 2, and CD and auxiliary and line in. And here we have the main board, the PCB 1. I think we need some more space. I'm gonna put it right here. And here we have the fan, PCB board 6. And the front profile PCB board with the light indicator. I'm gonna put it here. I think that was the last. Oh, and the front profile. And we have one more. I think we're gonna put the profile here. And here is the mini jack input. Put it here. And the last one would be the chop cover. The chop cover. So yes, this was a deassembling video about the Beomaster 7000. All these parts will be for sale to my clients, and this video is actually as like, oh, we just forgot a part. And the last one will be the power supply board, the transformer board, and we're gonna put it right here. So all these parts will be are for sale. If you're interested, there will be a link on my description to my website. And yeah, stay tuned. More videos are coming, and have a nice Christmas with your family, and take care. And yes, have a nice day.